This is very rare condition in which the victim has two pupils in their eyes. It is known as the pupillar duplex. In Dubai, supercars like Ferrari and Lamborghini are used by McDonald's for Mac delivery. Once a tractor company owner was insulted by the owner of Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari's words were, "You were born to drive a tractor, you will never be able to drive a Ferrari." Today that tractor company is known as the Lamborghini. This man is Fujiko Fujio, a Japanese cartoonist who created Doraemon, Ninja Hattori, Korosuke, Kaiteretsu, Superman and Miss Dracula. He has spent 40 years of his career as a cartoonist. In 1937, a football match was interrupted due to fog, but a goalkeeper stood in the fog for 15 minutes without knowing it. A Pakistani wife killed, cut up and cooked her husband into a korma because he wanted a physical relationship with their daughter. The husband trying to come home late and in silence, but the wife used a technology that not even NASA has. If World War III happen in the future, it will be a nuclear war and it will kill 80% of the world population in just few hours. Rest of 20% will survive only for few days and they will die due to radiations. Eventually whole life from Earth will be wiped out. In China, if you hit someone with your car, you must pay for their medical care for the rest of their lives. However, if you kill someone with your car, you pay a one-time fee. For this reason, it is fairly common for people to go back and kill someone they accidentally hit. Hitler once received a letter urging him to stop the war. It was written by Mahatma Gandhi. This is how the human face would look without any muscles. Japanese people do not use signatures. Instead, they all have their own stamps called hanko. Once World War III was just 2 minutes away, but Russian army officer Vasily Yevgrafov refused to drop nuclear bomb on America on October 27, 1962. He literally saved the world from nuclear war. Titanic started building on 31st March 1909 by a team of 3,000 people within just 26 months, that is 31st May 1911. The construction of the Titanic has been completed. Titanic was as large as 3 football grounds. Once fully constructed, 1 lakh people gathered to see Titanic. It was called the unsinkable ship. A 27 years old Chinese man proposed to a girl by solving 840 Rubik's Cube and using them to create a giant portrait of his dream girl, but she said no. 2 Korean students made a raft out of potato chips bag to prove they have too much air in them. There is a town in Arizona called Nothing and nobody lives there. The Netherlands is so safe it had to import criminals from abroad to fill jail. The Netherlands recently closed 19 prisons due to lack of criminals. Everyone knows about Charles Darwin and his theory of natural selection, but do you know that Charles Darwin ate every animal he discovered? Whenever he used to see strange animals, he often wondered what they would taste like, and this made him eat them. Very strange. Being a global brand ambassador of Dubai tourism, Shah Rukh Khan is the only man in the world after Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE's Prime Minister, who is allowed to free stay and free dinner in any 5-star and 7-star hotel in Dubai. Couple days ago in Shanghai, a scannable QR code was projected in the sky by drones and when scanned allowed people to download a video game. When Charlie Chaplin received his honorary Oscar, he received a 12-minute standing ovation, the longest in the Oscar history ever. Before the 18th century, India was one of the richest countries in the world. You can rent a girlfriend in China for only $31 a week. Nagasaki was not the actual target for the second atomic bomb in Japan. It was Kokura City, but when the bombers arrived, their view was blocked by a cloud and thus they went for Nagasaki. Street singer was ignored by everyone, then 4 kittens come to show their supports. It would take 12 lakh mosquitoes sucking at once to completely drain a human of blood. Kate Winslet keeps her Oscar in the bathroom so her guest can hold it and make acceptance speech in the mirror without feeling self-conscious. Sejal Shah, a resident of Gujarat, India, has covered her car with cow dung to beat the scorching heat. It is also her bid saving the environment at a time when global warming is rising. Need more innovative ideas like her. Violet Jessop, a ship nurse, served on each of the 3 ships, Titanic, Britannic and Olympic. While she was on board, Olympic collided with a warship and sank. The Titanic hit an iceberg and sank, and the Britannic hit an underwater mine and sank. She survived all, luckiest woman ever. 9-year-old kid who kept getting in trouble for doodling in class get a job for decorating a restaurant with his drawings. Archaeologists spent over 35 years building an enormous scale model of ancient Rome. Flashlight through a rock makes it look like the moon. The largest bird ever to exist had wingspan of 23 to 30 feet. It lived around 6 million years ago. In 1866, Liechtenstein invaded Italy with an army of 80 soldiers and returned with 81 soldiers. They made a friend along the way. The photographer was lying on the ground trying to shoot this ceiling. The pigeons were concerned. If you ever feel alone, turn the lights off and watch a horror movie. After that, you will always feel that someone is standing behind you. Well fossils found in the Egyptian desert, the Valley of the Wells. If the Great Library of Alexandria had never been burned down, we would be far more advanced than we are now. In 2010, a 3-year-old boy playing with his father's metal detector discovered a 16th century gold pendant estimated to be worth $4 million. The International Potato Center has successfully grown potatoes in simulated Mars environment. A fisherman found a giant 34 kg pearl worth $100 million and kept it under his bed for 10 years as a good luck charm, not realizing its worth.